First thing you're going to want to do is when you approach your paper towel dispenser, you'll see a little pin thing at the very top. Once you see that, you simply are going to need something sharp like a pair of scissors, for example, which you want to stick in and make sure they're facing this direction like so. It is very important, otherwise you can't twist them properly and you will not be able to get the lid off. Once you're twisting it and you've actually secured both holes, you can actually see it'll pop open like so. And once you've opened it, you can see right under here, there's actually a little box with battery logos on it, and you can simply pop this open like so and change the batteries like that. Now once you're open it, you can simply take out the paper towel roll that is out, or you can add a new one in simply just by adding it in like you normally would in between these two little plastic holders right here. And as you can see, once it's in, you can see there's this bar I'm tapping on currently that you want to leave the towel right in front of, and you can actually thread the towel through this little section right here that will actually allow it to start working again. Once you've threaded it through there, you can roll this little slider and you can see we've simply put our paper towel through, and once you've done that, you can actually put the thing back up again. And as you can see, if we tuck it back through one last time, you can see we can successfully push up the paper towel dispenser and it should be good to go.